Could this be the safest place to invest $10,000 right now?
The U.S. experiences its worst battle with inflation.
Inflation is much too high.
Inflation! This is how much $10,000 will grow by this year. 60 cents more with an average savings account. Unknown with stocks. And $962 more with I-bonds. What are I-bonds and why you should buy them now? All that in 3 minutes.
This is what it is, okay? Be water, my friend.
Hello everybody, Kind Juju Base here. So, I-bonds are low-risk savings product offered by the US government that can earn you interest. Here are the 4 things to know about I-bonds. Number 1, how are the interest rates set? Number 2, what are the contribution limits? Number 3, cashing out timing. And number 4, what are the tax implications? Interest rates. I-bonds interest rates are made out of 2 parts, the fixed interest rate and the variable interest rate. For the fixed part, US Treasury sets an annual rate every 6 months. Once purchased, the rate is locked in for the life of the bond. Variable interest rate, however, follows the inflation rate. The current rate as of May 2022 to October 2022 set by the US Treasury is 9.62%. Every 6 months, the Treasury will update a new variable interest rate. Next, what are the contribution limits? For electronic bonds, the minimum is $25 while the maximum is $10,000. Paper bonds, on the other hand, minimum $50, maximum $5,000. Okay, when can you cash out? The I-bond will continue to earn you interest for a total time span of 30 years. Your money is locked in for 1 year, so you can't take them out. You can start cashing out after year 1. However, if you cash out during year 1 to year 5, the latest 3 months worth of interest will be deducted from your total value. After 5 years, you can cash out without any penalties. Okay, tax implications. The interest income are subjected to federal income tax. However, they are exempt from state taxes. Okay, so this is what an I-bond is in a nutshell. You can screenshot this mind map for your future reference. So, why buy I-bonds now? If you don't need $10,000 urgently within a year, an I-bond is a good vehicle to preserve or even grow the value of your dollar with respect to inflation. Again, here's the graphic comparing the return from 3 typical investment vehicles. With the I-bond, you'll be getting a 9.62% return on your dollar guaranteed, and it's safe. So for me, it's a no-brainer. Okay, cool. Hopefully by now I've convinced you that it's a pretty good idea to park some money into I-bonds during these high inflation times. But you may have the question, where do I go and buy them and how do I buy them? That's a great question. Stay tuned for my next video where I'll walk through step by step how you can purchase an I-bond from treasurydirect.com. Okay, ladies and gents, hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, share this goodie with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.